Oh, did she go to sleep?
No.
Huh? Are you going to make her a cake now?
No.
Did you sing her shushabai? Yeah? What is her name?
Its name is Dory.
Oh.
Where's the spoon?
Well, where did you do? There it is. There's the spoon. Mmm. It smells delicious.
It's not delicious.
Yeah, it is. Are you eating it now? Mmm.
That's why it's hitting for Daddy. He's missing.
Oh.